Clean your aura. Aura cleansing techniques. Have you ever felt like your energy is just off? Maybe you've been feeling drained, stuck, or weighed down by emotions that aren't even yours. It's like you're carrying around something heavy, but can't quite explain it. That, my friend, is a sign that your aura needs a cleanse. Your aura is your invisible energy shield. It protects you, attracts what's meant for you, and filters out what's not. But just like a window gets foggy, your aura can become clogged with stress, negative vibes, and even other people's energy. And when that happens, you might feel tired, anxious, or blocked from the things you desire. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to cleanse and recharge your aura so you can step into your full power. Let's begin. Something feels off. How do you know if your aura is clogged? Before we dive into cleansing, let's check in. How do you know if your aura is carrying unwanted energy? If any of these sound familiar, it's time for a reset. You feel drained after being around certain people. Your mood swings for no clear reason. You feel mentally foggy or distracted. Your sleep is restless, or you wake up feeling exhausted. You've been experiencing bad luck, miscommunication, or obstacles. Your aura is always communicating with you. When something feels off, your body and emotions will let you know. Now, let's talk about how to fix it. Smoke, water, sunlight. Which cleanse speaks to you? The good news? Cleansing your aura is simple, and you can do it in a way that feels most natural to you. Here are some of the most powerful techniques. Feel free to choose the one that speaks to you, or combine them for an even deeper cleanse. Smoke cleansing, the ancient purification ritual. Since ancient times, people have used sacred smoke to clear energy, and for good reason. It works. All you need is sage, Palo Santo, or incense. Light it, let the smoke rise, and set your intention. I release all negative energy and restore my power. Move the smoke around your body, from head to toe, imagining it lifting away all heavy energy. Breathe deeply and let the shift happen. Water reset. Wash away the old, welcome the new. Water is one of the most powerful natural cleansers, and not just physically. It also clears away stagnant energy. Try a cleansing shower. As the water flows over you, imagine it carrying away stress, negativity, and anything that doesn't belong to you. Salt bath soak. Himalayan or sea salt absorbs negative energy, leaving you feeling lighter and refreshed. Add a few drops of lavender oil for deep relaxation. The next time you shower, don't just clean your body, clean your energy too. It makes all the difference. Recharge under the cosmic energy of the sun and moon. If you've ever felt instantly better after stepping into the sunlight or gazing at a full moon, that's because both the sun and the moon cleanse your aura naturally. Sunlight. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and feel the warmth of the sun burning away any energy that isn't yours. It recharges your aura like a battery. Moonlight. Sit under a full moon, or leave your crystals outside to absorb its energy. The moon's light washes over your aura, bringing clarity and emotional healing. Nature is your greatest healer. Sometimes, all your energy needs is a little sunlight or moonlight to reset. Clear your energy with just your mind. Yes, it's that powerful. You don't need anything outside of yourself to cleanse your aura. Your mind is the strongest tool. Try this simple energy reset. Close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths. Visualize a bright white or golden light surrounding your body, growing stronger with each breath. Imagine any dark or heavy energy dissolving into light. Affirm, I am cleansed. My energy is strong. I release anything that no longer serves me. Energy follows intention. When you choose to clear your aura, it happens instantly. Cleansed and protected. Now, keep your aura strong. Now that your aura is fresh and vibrant, let's keep it that way. Wear protective crystals. Black tourmaline, selenite, and amethyst help block negative energy and keep your aura strong. Set boundaries. Avoid people or situations that drain your energy. Protect your peace. Check in with yourself daily. Take just 5 minutes every day to breathe, visualize light, or meditate. Keeping your aura clear is a daily practice. Your energy is precious. Treat it with care. The more you cleanse and protect your aura, the more powerful and magnetic you become. Your turn. Feel the shift in 24 hours. Now, I have a challenge for you. Try one of these aura cleansing methods tonight and tell me in the comments, how do you feel afterward? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we're just getting started on this journey of energy, manifestation, and transformation here on Aura and You, sending you light, love, and the purest energy. Until next time, stay radiant.